everybody, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest chicken marinade you've ever made with the ingredients that are inside your pantry. Come right up. There's the first one. There's the second one. Now let's talk about this marinade, okay? I know some people will say boil the marinade and then you can use it. Just don't do it. It's not worth it, okay? Just throw it away. If you really want to make a marinade, when we made this marinade, you could have divided the marinade right before it touched the chicken, and then you could have used it as like a marinade on top of it. Don't risk getting sick having chicken juice on here, okay? So it's been about 2 minutes. So we all, when we're cooking chicken or beef, we want to have those little marks on the chicken with beef, right? Just lift up the chicken. Just do a quarter turn, okay? And that's it. Then we're going to let it cook for another 2 minutes, and then we're going to flip it over and cook it for another 4 minutes, right? So I do want to point out, remember this chicken was on the direct heat here. This chicken was on the indirect heat. See this piece of metal here that's on the bottom? That causes the heat to be indirect or infrared. So anyway, those are the two end results of the chicken, and the reason why this one is darker than this one is also because of the sugar. Sugar's caramelized at about 323 degrees. So anyway, this is the end result of different types of cooking methods. So now when you're going to serve this, you want to let it rest for like 10 minutes. But you want to let all the juices that are inside, that are furiously running around going, you want to let all that liquid to kind of go to its places, and then as it rests, when you cut it, every piece and every bite that you have will be juicy, right? Okay. So anyway, there you have it. That's the work we did today. All right, so I'm going to show you a trick on how to cut this chicken. So to make the chicken seem bigger, you want to cut it on the bias like this. Okay. I'll show you. See how it coagulated really nice and it's moist. So now I'm going to grab this, place it on the salad that we're going to have tonight. And it's dinner. See you guys later.